What is LoRA? Whether you're looking to create your own custom image generator and have consistent faces, or if you're trying to make your own custom chat GPT, so your own custom language model, you're going to need to understand what LoRA is. So LoRA stands for low rank adaptation. So when you use something like Stable Diffusion, an image generator, you use models which are also called checkpoints. Now, an AI model comes in two types. One, pre-trained, and two, fine-tunes. So making a pre-trained model is extremely expensive. You need multiple GPUs running full-time for days, which is why most research lean towards fine-tune. So pre-trained models is creating a model completely from scratch, giving it thousands of images to analyze, image pairs, where it's like an image paired with a text document on what the image is about, and it requires a lot of resources. Whereas fine-tunes, you can tweak an existing pre-trained model. So a fine-tune is a modification on an existing model. Since there's already a big base that exists from the pre-trained model, it's much less expensive to do a fine-tune. So if you think of like modding cars, the mod is the fine-tunes and the pre-train is the car itself. It's much easier to make modifications to the car, change things out, change the exhaust, etc. But it's much more expensive building the car from scratch. So more important, instead of teaching AI multiple concepts, you only teach it a few, typically a single one. But that's not a bad thing, because once you know how to create a LoRA, you can literally teach the AI to do specific things you want. So LoRA isn't a full model, it's just an add-on. It can be used to teach any concept. It can be an outfit, it can be a type of architecture, it can be a type of art style. For example, if you want to make a character that your AI model doesn't know, let's say it's some esoteric anime character that Stable Diffusion, Midjourney doesn't know, you can create a LoRA for that model, teaching it that character. You can just import a bunch of images of that new character, tag it the name of that character, and all of a sudden, now your model knows that character. So the best use case is you can get it to create things in your own art style. If you're able to literally make art manually, you can take a bunch of photos of your works and create a LoRA in your own style. Then now it can generate images using your own freaking style of artwork, which is insane. So when was it launched? It was launched early 2021 during a Microsoft collaboration with OpenAI. That's pretty crazy, because I guess that's when Microsoft invested into OpenAI and they've sort of basically taken over it. Who invented it? So it was invented by Edward Hu was a researcher at Microsoft. So examples of real life uses. So a restaurant chatbot can be fine-tuned with LoRA to answer specific menu related questions. So you can go ahead and give it all your menu options or the prices, and all of a sudden the chatbot will learn your menu and it's now fine-tuned to your restaurant. A banking chatbot can be fine-tuned to answer finance-related questions. Another option, if you often ask your assistant for fitness advice, LoRA could tweak the AI to prioritize fitness-related responses without modifying the entire model. So let's say I have an online education company. We teach people about e-commerce and I answer a lot of questions. I've been putting all the questions and answers on a document, and I can upload it and create a LoRA training model where I can just look at all my Q&A, and based off that, it can basically be another version of me and answer questions on my behalf. So yeah, that is LoRA. If you guys want to learn how to implement AI to your business, you want to start a business related to AI, whatever it is, send me a message. I have an Instagram and my email in the description below, because I'd love to see if I can help you out with any of your AI related problems. Peace.